Today, we're diving into the world of indoor exercise with the Kanchimi 40-inch folding mini fitness rebounder trampoline, designed to take your workouts to the next level. This trampoline boasts a maximum load of 330 pounds, thanks to its high-strength steel and durable PP Oxford fabric, ensuring a long service life and superior bearing capacity. Safety is a top priority with its non-slip mute design, featuring optional rubber foot pads for a stable grip, making it an ideal gift for your loved ones on special occasions. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes with detailed instructions, and its fast folding design allows for convenient storage and space saving. The adjustable non-slip handle offers 5 different height levels, ranging from 27 to 35 inches, catering to both adults and children, while the foam-covered handrail ensures a comfortable and secure grip. Plus, with a 1-year after-sales guarantee, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that any non-human factor damage will be covered with a brand-new replacement. Get ready to bounce your way to fitness with the Kanchimi Rebounder trampoline, where quality meets convenience for a fun and effective workout experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.